watching Mafia TV.
You're watching Mafia TV.
You're watching Mafia TV.
You're watching Mafia TV. You're watching Mafia TV.
What are you watching today?
Mafia TV.
Right here in front of us. Time to get this car fired up. Out there in the middle, we got the 28. Time to get moving. Oh, the 619 and the 13 got a meeting in the line. Here comes the 22. He separated them. We got the 28 still sitting in the middle. That's what the 22. Hold up. Air horn means stop. No bread tonight, air horn means stop. Okay, we're still running. We've got the 22, the 81X, the 619, the 13. Okay, Brian, we got to hold up just a second. If you're all the way around the arena, in the walkway, there it says that you must move. You cannot stand in the walkway. Oh, here comes the sheriff. They're pushing you away now. So, if you're leaning against the fence, you must move back. Okay, man in orange says, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, let them roll. Okay, give us just a second. The 80